Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I kind of figured I will film a tutorial for you guys because if you guys remember my e.l.f. cosmetic haul, I did pick up some new products from e.l.f. and I haven't used it on camera yet. So I kind of figured let's go ahead and use it on camera. So if you guys want to see what I come up with, then of course just keep watching. Alright you guys, so starting off, I am going to be diving into the e.l.f. Matte for Matte eyeshadow palette. You guys know they have the one that's like the more like neutral tone, which I actually have, I want to say it's probably in my collection over there. But this one is going to be the Summer Breeze. Here is the packaging, still the traditional black packaging. And then open it up and then here is the inside. So it is a nice pretty warm tone eyeshadow palette. It is an all matte eyeshadow palette, so I will be doing an all matte look on my lid for you guys, which is different for me because I always have some kind of shimmer, whether it's in my lid, my inner tear duct. It's just, you know, the norm for me. But today, no shimmer, just an all matte look. So again, here is the colors for the palette. I love this side right here because you have your pops of colors right here, and then here is more like your neutral colors down here. So just want to swatch a few colors for you guys so we're not here all day long. So here is that one, and here is the swatch for that one. As you can see, really pretty and pigmented. Gonna take this nude color. That one is actually more like my skin tone. Probably can't see it. Here is that one. It's really light, so you probably can't see it right here. And then for the purple, hopefully that one shows up. All right, here's the purple one right here. So swatching it, they're not that pigmented. I probably will have to kind of like double back in to get some pigment from it, but let's go ahead and put it on our eyes and just kind of see how it works better on the face. Diving into the palette, I'm just going to take this color right here and just set it all over my eyelid. And then diving into my crease color, I'm just going to take this color right here, that like orangish brownish color, just pop it into my crease.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found.
Alright, and then for my lid, I'm going to take this really pretty like pinky color to put all over my lid as my lid color.
My heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try.
I'm just gonna go back into that orange color one more time.
Now I know what I have found.
then we're going to dive into that purple color right there. I'm just gonna keep that in like my outer V, because I don't want the look to be too dark since we don't have any shimmer colors to play with. So I'm gonna try to keep it as light as possible. So just gonna try to keep it right in my outer V.
I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby?
Alright, and then I'm gonna put a pause on the eyes for right now. So moving into the face for my, actually I need to do my dark spots first. This is going to be the e.l.f. color correcting stick in the color called, it says deep skin tones. So here is the stick right here. And I actually need to prime my face first. But before we do that, let's prime our face. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. Illuminate in Face Primer. Here is the packaging for it. You guys know I love to use my e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer, which is that one, but I'm gonna try this one since I have dry skin and kind of see what it does for me. There it is on my hand. So I don't see any, I see a little bit of shimmer. It's like a little bit of like reflexes in there. And then like my skin also have like, it's almost like a golden layer to it. Do you guys see a difference? Like, is it like brighter or shining, or I don't know. I see like some shimmer reflexes, and I also see like a gold like cast on my face. All right, but going back into the e.l.f. color correcting stick, I'm just going to put it on my dark spots. I don't have a lot. I just have a few that peeks through from time to time. Alright, and then going into my foundation, I'm just going to use my MAC Studio Fix foundation. Nothing exciting, nothing that's new. So I'm just going to do my foundation, concealer, powder, and I'll be back.
I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby?
So foundation is on, and I don't really see a difference besides I don't look as I don't really see a difference, to be honest. Maybe once I see it back on camera I might see a difference, but as of right now I don't see a difference. Only thing I can say is I don't look as dull. Maybe that's the only difference that I see so far, but we'll see. Alright, so my powder was just my Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC. And then my concealer was the NYX HD concealer in the color called Tan. So moving on to my bronzer, I'm just going to use my Sephora Contour Blush palette again in Spice Market. It's new, so I just want to play with it a little bit more on camera. I'm just going to bronze my face. Alright, and then for blush, I'm just going to take the blush color right here to put on my cheeks. And then for my highlighter, we're just going to take the one by Rihanna. It is going to be the one in Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. Just going to highlight my face with that highlighter. So I have my lashes on, and then for my lip option, since my eyes are matte, I'm just gonna go ahead and keep my lip option matte as well. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. liquid matte lipstick in the color called Praline and line my lips. I have used the other two lip glosses that I've hauled before in like another video, and I did end up liking those a lot. But I haven't tried the matte liquid lipstick, so hopefully it matches my look that I have going on today. So let's go ahead and apply it to our lips. Alright you guys, this is pretty much the finished look. In terms of like the actual eyeshadow palette, I did like the eyeshadow palette. Like I told you guys when I first watched the colors on my hand, I was like, I can definitely tell that we have to like go back in, because when swatching it, it was really light. But the more that you go back into like build up the color, you definitely get the intensity and the color payoff. I did not get that much fallout. As you can see, my palette is still nice and clean, so I didn't get that much fallout with the palette, which I do appreciate, because I hate when my palette look all like messy and the colors are like mixing it together. It drives me crazy. In terms of the e.l.f. Illuminating Face Primer, I honestly don't see a difference right now. Maybe go back into like watch the footage, I might see a difference. Only thing I will say is I did see like some flexes of like glitter on my skin, and then it also left like a gold cast on my face, so I'm assuming that's supposed to help like illuminate the skin, but I don't really see a difference right now, to be honest with you guys. So I definitely have to give it another try. As of right now, I'm kind of like on the fence about it, because I don't see like an immediate, you know, difference with using that product. And the next item is the matte liquid lipstick. It did go on kind of like wet when I'm applying it to my lips. It is starting to dry down. The color is definitely almost like my lips, but better. I haven't worn a matte lip in so long, so I'm trying to like get used to seeing myself with it on my face. But it's definitely a pretty color. Again, it's like your lips, but better. It doesn't feel drying at all as of right now, but I did have a gloss on the bottom of my lips first. And honestly, with any liquid lipsticks, I do that because I have dry skin, so my lips are also dry, and I cannot wear a liquid lipstick if my lips are like dry and chapped. That's not cute. So far I love this color, and everything else was pretty much stuff I already used before. Last thing was the color correcting stick. I did like it. It did blend out really nicely and it did cover my dark spots, to be honest. I'm not gonna say it's as good as the one by LA Girl, but it definitely, you know, did a good job. So I will be reusing this product again because I did like it and it was just so like creamy. Like I love that about it. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much my final video. Hope you guys enjoy. Like always, please be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.